You are watching Melody Lane. With me, you're gonna have a great crafting time.
Well, hello there, crafty friends. It's Holly with Melody Lane Inspired, and we have a mystery box. And not only do we have a mystery box, a new one, but we have a brand new Cutie color, which I haven't even looked at yet. So I'm super excited. This box is Cricut's Pink Disco Mystery Box. So I'm gonna get to the Cutie first because these are selling out super duper duper fast. So I wanna show you the Cutie first, and then if you wanna go buy, you can come back and see what's in the box. And this is a great box with lots of different stuff in it. So this one is our true pink Cutie. And soft, almost like Barbie pink. Hey, it matches like my headband. This is the true pink Cutie. All my pink fans, I know you're gonna love this. This box is gonna sell even faster because there's a new Cutie on it. That's why I wanted to show you the Cutie first. So go ahead, buy the box. You can come back. There's lots of good stuff in this box. So I can't wait to show you the rest of what's in it. So let's get in it. Last mystery box, everybody's excited that we got some cardstock, and we got cardstock again. So this is the basics pack. So you're gonna get 24 sheets of the 12x12 Cricut cardstock, and this is gonna be your black, gray, white, and your ivory. Yay for cardstock! And we're getting everyday iron-on. This is the Tea Party sampler. So you're gonna get 3 12x12 sheets, and you're gonna have the pink you see here, which is a little darker than my headband, and a, what I would consider like a raspberry color, almost hot pink, not quite, and then the white. I know with the Barbie movie coming out, I'm gonna see lots of Barbie projects. This would be perfect to use for some Barbie projects. We're gonna get some permanent glossy premium vinyl from Cricut, and you're gonna get 12x48 inches of the silver. The silver and these pinks together, and it looks so good. And I love the looks of this. We're getting the premium vinyl permanent glossy, and this is the holographic threads. This is party pink. So there is the pretty pink there, and you're gonna get 12x48 inches of this. The colors in it too, when you see this in person, it's so pretty. And we're getting Cricut metallic iron-on mosaic, and this is the classic sampler. So you're gonna get one 12x12 sheet of each color here, which is the gold, the silver, and the black. This reminds me of a disco ball. And I love that we're getting this in the box. So this is the Cricut iron-on glow in the dark. So with Halloween coming soon, so many great things you can make with Halloween with this. Last year, I know around Halloween they were sold out of this, so I was glad to see this in the box. And you're gonna get 12x24 inches of this. And we're getting some infusible ink. This is the rainbow cheetah pattern, which if you can see, it's got like the hot pink there, and it has the rainbow leopard. You're gonna get 2 12x12 sheets of the infusible ink that you can go ahead and put this on mugs, the Cricut, all the Cricut blanks. You can put it on, oh, you know what you can put it on? Coasters. So with infusible ink, you can go ahead and make these Cricut coasters and customize them. And think Christmas coming up, if you don't need coasters, somebody needs coasters, and coasters make a great gift. So that is everything in the Cricut's Pink Disco Mystery Box. I don't know about you, but I thought this was a great box. So because we get our Cutie here, our true pink Cutie, it is Cricut Access only. But don't worry, because if you're not Access, you can join Access, purchase this box. There are links below to not only purchase the box, but there are also links to go ahead and join Access. The price of the box is $59.99, but it's not really because you get your Access discount with it. So comment below if you got this. I know it's going to sell out fast. After you purchase it, post in our groups. Let us see what you make with this box. Also in the links below are the links to our Melody Lane monthly giveaway. This month we're giving away to one winner their choice of a Cricut Bright Lamp 360. And we appreciate when you use our affiliate links. Affiliate links are just a great way to help support small business at no added cost to you. So thank you very much for that. Thank you for watching, and thank you to all of our supporters and admins. You guys are amazing. So glad to bring this to you today. I was so glad to see a new Cutie. So many people are going, when are we getting a new Cutie? It's here. It's here. So go buy it before it's gone because it'll go super fast. So thank you guys for watching us. And until next time, guys, happy crafting. Doodles from Alex. Bye.